Welcome viewers, in this video we will see the construction detail of synchronous motor. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the topic. Three synchronous motor, construction of synchronous motor. So the diagram is available. So we know that the motor having the stationary part, stator, contain the winding, armature winding, and the rotating part, rotor, that also contain the winding. It is excited by the DC supply. So three-phase AC supply is given through this. So we have stationary part stator and rotating part rotor. Now we'll see the further detail. The essential part of three-phase synchronous motor are laminated stator core with three-phase armature winding. So the stationary armature winding, three-phase armature winding available in the stator core, that is laminated. Rotating field structure complete with damper winding and slip rings. Because of rotating part we need slip rings. And that is supported, the supply is given through the brushes and brush holders. Two end shields to house the bearing that support the shaft. So we have stationary stator with three-phase armature winding and rotating rotor. In order to give the excitation by the DC supply, we have brushes, brush holder, and support, bearing support, damper winding and slip ring, so that we can able to give the supply to the rotating rotor. Now we'll see the further detail. The stator core winding of a synchronous motor are similar to that of three-phase squirrel cage induction motor. So the stator winding is similar to three-phase squirrel cage induction motor. Stator winding terminates in a terminal box mounted on the motor frame. The rotor is a salient pole type. Salient pole means projected. That's not projected. Number of rotor field poles must be equal to number of stator field poles. So that is a necessary condition. The number of poles available in the rotor should be equal to number of poles in the stator. Field circuit leads are connected to slip rings. In order to give the excitation, the field windings are connected to the slip ring. To eliminate hunting and to develop necessary starting torque, the rotor poles contain pole phase conductor, which are short circuited at their end and are called as squirrel gauge winding or damper winding or armature winding, which consist of solid copper bars that are short circuited at each end by means of a sorting tip. So these arrangements are made for in order to eliminate the hunting and to develop the necessary starting torque. So this is the construction details of a synchronous motor. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening. All the best for your examination.